Hello, and welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your ultimate destination for enriching your vocabulary and exploring the depths of the English language. Today, we're diving into a rather unique and evocative word, fremescent. So, what does a fremescent mean? Fremescent describes something that is becoming murmurous or beginning to buzz or hum, often used to convey a sense of anticipation or a building of subdued excitement. According to the dictionary, fremescent comes from the Latin word fremere, meaning to murmur or roar. It's a fantastic word to describe environments or situations where there's a palpable, growing energy. Now, let's explore some synonyms for fremescent. Words like a humming, buzzing, vibrant, and a thrumming capture similar sensations and can often be used interchangeably depending on the context. For instance, you might describe a busy market as a fremescent, with the hum of chatter and activity. Or, the air before a big event might feel effervescent with anticipation. And that's our exploration of a fremescent. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is not just about learning new words, but also about finding new ways to express familiar feelings and experiences. Thanks for watching Thesaurus Thrive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more linguistic insights.